My personal financial manager is my mother.
My personal financial manager are my father.
The personal financial manager of our family was obviously my mom and dad. But usually, who manages our quincenas and katapusan budget is my mom.
As my personal financial manager, she is my grandmother.
My personal financial manager is my mom and my dad.
As my personal financial manager, he is my father.
My personal financial manager is my mother.
My personal financial manager is my mother.
My parents are my personal financial manager.
Si Papa po.
Personal financial manager is my father.
She don't give me allowances for weeks like others. Instead, she kept my father's money that give to us, and then she would give me money when I exactly needed it. For example, if I will go to school, she will give my money before I leave, and then if I need to pay something for school, I will tell her, and then she will give money if I needed to pay already. Her way teaches me how to use money wisely and spend on things that really needed.
Every 15 days po sumasahod si Papa, A15 at katapusan ng buwan. Sa A15 po, ang binabayaran niya na bill ay tubig at wifi. Tapos, kukuha na rin po siya sa sahod niya ng pambaon namin, ng ate ko po. And pambaon niya rin sa trabaho niya. At ang matitira po dun sa sahod niya na yon ay bibigay niya po kay mama. Mama na po ang magbabudget ng pagkain namin kasi siya po yung mamamalengke at mag-grocery. Sa katapusan naman po ng buwan, ganun pa rin po. Pero ang binabayaran na lang ni Papa ay yung kuryente namin. Tapos, kukuha ulit siya ng pambaon namin doon for 15 days and pambaon niya rin. At yung matitira naman po ay para po sa pagkain namin ulit.
She dividing my dad's salary through our various expenses like our monthly payment for our house in Pag-ibig, and it costs 4,700 a month. Also, our electricity bills, water bills, and etc. But still, our daily allowance wasn't added yet. But through the help of having extra income from my dad's sideline, we still use to survive our daily lives.
She will manage our financial activities by budgeting that provides by my mother or neither my grandfather, that when we have necessary things to buy like monthly stock for food, for hygiene, and for medicines. And second, for investing such as land and loans, etc. And lastly, she makes sure we has insurance coverage for home, car, and health like PhilHealth or SSS.
They create a simple budget for my school allowance every week. The allowance that my parents give is separate. My mom gives me 1,000 pesos per week for my school allowance. And because we only have 3 days of school every week, my dad gives me 200 pesos every time I go to school. So if we combine all the money they give me, my weekly allowance is 1,600 pesos, and for me, it is enough to cover my weekly needs.
He will manage our financial activities like monthly groceries, Wi-Fi, house rent, water bill, electricity bills, with the help of my mother.
Ma-manage ko ni Mama ang aming financial activities. Tuwing sumasahod po siya ng 15, doon niya po binabayad yung mga needs po namin sa house like bills and tubig po. And then tuwing katapusan naman po, doon niya po binibigay sa amin yung allowance na para po sa school namin na pinagkakasya hanggang sumahod po uli siya.
She carefully managed our finance to cover essential expenses such as electricity, water, food daily, school lunches, and the other needed.
They guide me in handling money wisely and ensure I prioritize essential needs over unnecessary ones. They manage my financial activities by teaching me the value of budgeting and saving. They also help make me responsible financial decisions for the future.
Before po mag-start yung isang buong linggo, binibigyan na kami ni Papa ng pang-allowance, good for 1 week, sa aming magkakapatid yun. And bumibili na rin siya ng isang sakong bigas para magamit namin isang taon or 1 month. Then, para araw-araw, ulam na lang bibili namin. Pagdating naman sa kuryente, actually kahati namin yung tita ko dito kasi nakikitap sila sa amin para magkaroon ng kuryente. So, it means yung binabayaran namin is kahati namin yung kita namin doon. So, hindi na kami nahihirapan. Ayun, ganun yung minamanage yun. So, ayun.
First is budgeting. He helps me create a budget 50% for savings, also 50% for expenses. Second, we review my monthly expenses together to ensure I stay within budget. Third, we set financial goals like saving for educations or emergencies. And having my father as my personal financial manager has improved my financial discipline and increased my savings. That's all. Thank you.